Trying to understand what is this saying right here? Like y'all got something for sale or what? Or
selling this dash.
A raffle or the dash?
He's selling vents.
Okay, the vents. So right here, the AC vents.
Right there,
The ones in the middle. The ones in the middle. Ooh.
Oh, this is for sale.
Ooh, yeah. That's what I was saying. I was lost too.
For that little piece right there.
It's vintage.
Like a better blow.
It's vintage. You got to. You don't really have a choice.
Oh.
So then he got business cards too, y'all. Y'all see it. Focus in. There it is. Y'all see it. Go to the other side of the card. Y'all see it. $340 for that one piece. Now let's get back to these beautiful trucks. Man, what? Stop it, man. Everything out here got an LS in it. Everything out here got an LS in it. I need to know who's doing the work. Look, y'all, we're not even nowhere near done.
You think that is 49 business coupe?
Business?
I think it's a 49 business coupe. That's
said-
pretty close.
He said,
Oh, yeah, look at the license plate. 49. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. I got it. Hit. Right on the money. 49.
got a hit. Hey,
That's a pretty car. Business coupe.
and look at them guts. Hold on, is that? He got grandma's couch in here. Hey, he got, ooh, look where the radio at. He got grandma's couch in here, man.
I like
Stop playing. They killing it.
it. I like it.
They out here killing stuff, boy. They killing the parking lot. Look, for sale, 1990. Call or text, 10-5. Y'all get at him. Y'all get at him. Another Blazer.
That is pretty cool. I think it's a Rio. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Wow.
What is it? Is it a Rio? I don't know either. Now it's not that good.
Throwbacks out here, y'all. Oh, nice door panels. Oh, man, with the speaker box. Ooh, he got them XTR Orions in there, y'all. Ooh, stop playing. Oh, yeah. Them speakers I always wanted right there. Scraping. Look at the little boy. He got covered up his ears. It's so loud. BLM. Bang local MILFs. They coming down, y'all. They coming down. Oh yeah, they showing out. About to start showing out. Y'all already know. What would I be without the G body? What would I be without the G? Stock stupid clan. What would I be without the G? Come on, man. OG interior. So what would I be without the G? What would I be without the G?
Except for it's got door handles.
The antifreeze is in there. You got some Chinese turbos, twin turbos, and he just went stupid, y'all. He just went stupid. Crazy. Crazy. It's a Lego car for real. Crazy. And a dope big wheel. Never grow up. Crazy, y'all. They is out here acting bad. Both of them. I know that's a 75. Ugh, nasty. Ugh, nasty. Fiberglass black dash. Sick. Sick. You know he hitting them switches. Man, stop playing with the Riviera. Stop playing with the Riviera, man. Riding on the Riviera. Hey, sexy. Ooh. Ooh, trunk pressure. Trunk is pressure. Trunk pressure.
Got a nail head engine with dual quads.
Ooh, wait, this serious.
Nail head engine, dual quad. There's a running engine there.